What's something people don't know about night safety? Personal alarms can be lifesavers. Safety is crucial, especially for women walking alone at night. Being prepared can greatly reduce risks. One powerful tip: make noise. Pers- Original siren. 130 decibels with extended sound duration. Cosin Safe Sound Alarm. Great value with 6 in a pack. SL Force. Siren Song. Easy clip-on keychain alarm. Remember, it's not just about alarms. Shout, scream, use your voice. Combine this with the 5 Ds: deter, detect, diffuse, delay, and defend, and you'll significantly enhance your safety. Ladies, make some noise. It's your right to be heard and protected. Stay safe out there.